Now, it was true. We went up there to clear 140 Amity, right next to the restaurant. And I got that machine on a tree, and that tree did catch that power line going into that rental home that wasn't mine. I can't remember the realtor's name. But she would go to bars and go home with anybody, right? And about 6 or 7 months later, she contacted me and told me that I was going to have to pay to repair the electrical system in her home because none of the plugs worked. And I politely told her, I said, if that was the case, don't you think you would have told me from day one? Because I did replace the wire going into the house. I mean, I damaged it. But it was just a gimmick. And that's what she told me. She said, you ain't nothing but a drug dealer fucking convict. And that's when I reminded her that everyone around town knew she was a whore. Hell, I got a buddy in church right now she calls divorce with. For sure. I mean, it was well known. Her pictures were put around these signs for real estates. And she'd done everybody's husband in town. For sure. But when it comes to people calling people names, let's see here. Trump called Anderson Cooper Allison Cooper. And then what else he said? Oh, he called, what his name, Trudeau? He calls him the governor of Canada. That's going to be the 51st state. And the Democrats have had a lot to say this week about Trump and Elon. And I just wanted to review that with you because the love is real.
The alarm bell.
In the past week, Elon Musk and his so-called Department of Government Efficiency have accessed the personal private information of tens of millions of Americans.
Elon Musk is a 5-alarm fire, and the country doesn't realize it yet.
We're at a crisis in this country. We are at war.
Sometimes violence is necessary.
All of our privacy is being taken up by Elon Musk and Trump, and we don't know what all they have on us.
Elon Musk forces his way into the United States Treasury and threatens to steal your personal information and your Social Security check. There is the possibility of violence.
This dude is literally breaking the law inside of the federal government.
They are raiding the government, attempting to steal taxpayer money.
They are dismantling the federal government.
I will bring articles of impeachment against the president for dastardly deeds proposed and dastardly deeds done.
We are going to fight it.
We are going to be in your face. We are going to be on your asses.
We are going to fight it in the courts, and we're going to fight it in the streets.
We're going to make sure you understand what democracy looks like.
The people who want the fist fight are the base of the Democratic Party. Democrats want to see someone get up there and give a knuckle sandwich to Donald Trump. That's what they want.
People are aroused. I haven't seen people so aroused in a very, very long time.
The kingdom of God is a war zone. It is a battlefield. You did know this, right?
They're still going to have to go out and put a bullet in Donald Trump, and that's a fact.
I got some exciting announcements. It's in stock.
Fluid English.